Good morning, everybody. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. My name is Divya, and I am the co founder of this industry technology, where this video is trained to train you about how to use our current e learning system. Uh, is a MES technology new e learning system for all students. This video is for student. If you're a teacher, feel free to see the another video. But this video will coming in two languages. One is English. This one is in English. Bengali is coming soon after this one. So in this training, I will consider a test account as a student, and where I will show you how to use this new platform. It's very convenient, trust me. And also we included the live classes as we already do, and our live classes is our can say is a benchmark. So here live classes is more better way, can say it's better way. Okay, let's start the topic. First thing, what you need to do, you will get a username and password in your email with a login URL. There you need to log in on the system using the given username and password. Please remember, username and password is very important because your username is assigned to the course. If you forgot, you can always ask to us in support@mesgtech.com. If you have no time to regenerate your password, you can immediately chat with us in mesgtech.com, where I will put the link, these two link in this video. Possible, not fine. I will show you how to do that. Also, we have the WhatsApp. You know that in your email you get the email. So in your email you will get all the details. Matter too much. So let's start the topic in very straightforward. So how to do it? First thing, you will get this link. I am not showing you the link because you will get the link in your email. The link is same for everyone, though. It's just an I'm not going to say that one. Anyway, okay, there is a login as guest. One option is there. I kept that one, but do not try to use it because you won't get any access in courses. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that. So here is my test student account, test underscore. This is a test, so don't ignore it. If you won't get, if you will get a different password. Please remember that one. Sometimes we require to reset a password, and maybe at this stage we will give you the password. You can use it and you can change it, but in later on we may introduce the password to forcefully change it, but don't worry about it in any manner. We can have a control. So MESD, don't say the rest password for you. This is the test account. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, so this is your username and password is given by your coordinator or manager or coordinator or by myself. Any one of them will give this one. So now you need to click on can save the password. Okay, here you will get the login account and you will be logged in inside of this kind of system. This username I assigned to this one to the IELTS course, which is our International English Language Testing course. It is under the study abroad program. So here you will get the coaching of the IELTS, where you will get speaking, reading, and writing skills. So you will get this type of dashboard, the similar dashboard. If you put us a photo, you can see your beautiful photo over here. I'm happy to see you guys with the photo, but if not, still I'm fine with. But I love to see you guys. Me. Now, this one here you will get your calendars. You can click on the calendar. So there will be something. Yeah, there is a client calendar with your reminder, your details. If you have multiple courses, like if you are in private tuition mode, then you have multiple courses, and all courses, all assignment will be shown over here. Then you can see in the my courses, you can see I have only one IELTS courses at this stage with the test submission, but if you have multiple courses, you will get the list of that. So here you need to do, click over here, or you can click from dashboard as well. If you go to the dashboard, you can see a small screen over here. The course overview is, and progression report is also there, so you can see, you can track how much you completed already. If not, then it's fine, then you enter in the system. Okay, here you will get few things. I'm just going to mention one by one. If you go to this page, then you can see this sidebar is change date. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Here is your grade, here is your batches. Batches is something that your teacher will discuss with you. Your participant list, and also you can chat with everybody's person contracted over here. And then in participant, and then okay, then I will click on, yeah, the participant is in only 2, so it's okay. Course, so I'm just going to the course section. What is, so here you can see there's a file over here. This class 2, this one is your video lecture. So if you have a lecture on the day, you can get that over here. So if you click over here, what you will see it, you will see something. You will see recording, there is no recording, waited for the moderator to join, and you can join session. So when you in this stage, teacher of this course will assign you or will allow you to log in the blue button system. So you no need to worry about anything at all. Just click on that big blue button. That's it. So here moderator will give you a chance to join, then you will join it. In the meantime, I will go for another taxes because there is no moderator at this stage at the night at 4 o'clock. Okay, here you will get this type of assignment and the material given by the professor or your course coordinator or your teacher. Here, like introduction, if I click on the introduction, I can see something. Yeah, you will get the reference book list, so which is the reference book of the IELTS. You can see this one. We will provide this one for you. It's just a demo, so don't worry about it too much. I would prefer to right click on it and open in a new tab, because if you open the same tab, it will be a bit of a bad situation happened. Now if you have a sample like this new tab, you can see over here one URL is given to you to study about. Today's the writing about the following topic. Today's school should teach their students how to survive financially in the world today. To what extent do you agree? This is a topic, and there is a list of the topic. This how the answers should be written is a resource. It's not the exam. And then you have one writing assignment. So your assignment need to submit over there. Your quiz need to submit over there. Your exam will be in this system. So each and everything will be in this system. So let's see how the writing assignment goes on. Writing assignment is means teacher give you one assignment to work on it, and you have a deadline, time remaining 3 days 3 hours. You will get a 24 hours reminder in your email ID. So this is kind of just a reminder if you do not complete it. So submission status is not attempt, grading obviously not graded. If you submit it, you will see the status change to submission. Then what is the task behind it? So this task you need to complete it, and then you need to click on add submission to upload your submission. You can write it down. I think this is given as a okay, you can, okay, this submission is given in a different way, which you can either write it in a Word file or compile in a PDF, and you can drop it over here, so it will be uploaded and teacher can see that. If not, you also can write the same thing over here. Okay, you can write the same thing. This submission. Okay, when you submitting something, you need to click on this button. Be careful. This button will allow us to do the plagiarism testing. For IELTS, it's not too important, but for few work, it is very important, like our assignment. So in this case, this written is the submission is my one work, except where I have acknowledged the use of the works from other people. So if you're using referencing and bibliography, I will share one video with them how to do referencing. Word. And if you do not acknowledge anyone, if you do not add reference, then you didn't use it. Is your own work on that time. So that's the thing. You can do it. You can voice over, but usually in this course there's no voice over, so you write it. So you can write it down like this. You can write it down, and then that you can submit it, or you can upload it without this tick. System won't allow you to submit it. There are required fields and form marked okay. Now I will put okay. In this case, the instruction is not too clear though, but I also put the teacher should put the instruction. Either you need to upload it or you need to do the online text. In this case, if ever it is happen, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. So this is our branch, so we are helpful. So what you will do, you need to be very careful. Upload this one. System automatically save draft each 5 minutes or 3 minutes. I forgot it exactly. Or you can drag and drop. So drag and drop feature is pretty easy. It's a kind of like this. Right. Here in the file system, I think the teacher allowed us to include any one of the file, but in special cases it can be restricted to the docs or the. So just read the instruction carefully, and then just click on save change. That's it for you. And let's see what happening. Hopefully you submit it for grading. Not graded. 3 days is remaining. So congratulations, you submit your submission. You can remove submission. You can remove submission if there is a chance to. Of course, has chance. If not, you won't get this one. And even if you get it, if you remove it, as you. Because if you remove any submissions on that time, no teacher can see that one. And obvious reason, teacher will not go for in-depth search until unless good cause to do that. Okay, and then submission comments is good. It's not required for you. If you want, you can put them. So submitted for grading. So grading will be done soon for you. You can edit submission, but edit submission is also can be restricted to one time only, so you won't able to edit anything. Okay, yeah, I think everything is given. So that's it. That's the student part, and always don't forget to log out to keep your account secure. And if there is an issue, if your friend or someone give the exam, we might ask you a video call over the exam time. You might be careful when you're giving the online exams. Online exam does not mean that you will search it on something and answer it. We can. So that's it for now. For student, you need to do that much of thing. Nothing else too much actually. So it's very straightforward and easy. There can be a quiz, and quiz also in the same format as it is, but there is written is quiz. So the images will be changed, the side images, so you can see the introduction is a PDF, so it's a PDF file. They are in URL, so it's an URL file. This is a class, like a live class, so it's a big blue, and the writing assignment and underneath for the not you but add it. So that's it for now for student, and enjoy the study. Happy studying during this knockdown. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye.